Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a short wheelbase Volkswagen panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will see front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille, you will notice 2 nice chrome strips. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the vehicle again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving a van on a busy road and also for cold winter months. To this side of the van, you will notice a sliding door. As we walk into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video camera around, you will notice factory fitted panelling. You'll also notice the load area is clean and free from damage. At the back of the Transporter, you will notice rear barn doors without windows. As we move across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. As we move up the van, you will notice standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice on the rear doors a Transporter badge and a VW emblem. As we move into the back of the load area again, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on Wood Ply-lining to protect the sides and also the floor. As we move across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. On both doors, you will see this door release catch, and this is the advantage of the door release catch. This van is painted in a metallic paint, which is called Ravenna Blue. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. This van is also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. The driver's seat, you will notice, has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This now finishes my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror, electric window switches. Moving down here, you will notice the automatic headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 9 delivery miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You'll also find an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with a feature called App Connect. This would allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and also my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this system is fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when you're parking the vehicle up. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. This van is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer months. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a short wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 71 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When in touch with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.